What's going on, everybody? Let's restart that. What's going on, everybody? Hot lap number 66 here. Happy 4th of July week. I got sunburn. I got permanent gloves on my hands now. Yeah, sucks. All right, let's see what's going on here. It's going to be a fast one today, but we got a guest in here too, so. We got Front Street Tom. You're going to do the hot lap with us. Come on.
The whole hot lap.
It's not going to be long. Come on.
I got to pick my kid up from daycare.
It's okay.
I'm already late.
Come on, real quick.
I dropped my car off at 4 in the morning. Frankie decided to put it on the alignment rack an hour ago.
That's just how it goes sometimes. All right, come on.
My car is back in the shop. Something's wrong.
Uh-oh. Back in the shop. Yeah, see, you're not leaving yet.
What are we talking about? You have a bulletin board, you loser?
Yeah, this is what Eddie prepares for us every time. Oh, we got the stage wheel giveaway winner.
Oh, I got stage wheels in my car.
Let's do that.
Oh, let's call him. Let's put his number. 917.
Stage wheel giveaway winner.
It's right there, isn't it? It's on there.
Yeah, but he's got to call him.
Oh.
Am I supposed to tell him?
Don't say it out loud.
Yeah, say his number. 917.
Guess what, guys? He's from California, just like every other one.
They got money out
Rigged.
there, so they just always win. Double mic.
Nice.
Come on, buddy. Answer the phone.
Your call has been.
Well, guess what? Now you lost.
Yeah.
On to the next one.
On to the next one. No.
That's how it works.
We'll call him back.
Yeah.
Call him back later. Okay.
Belts. You guys need belts?
Okay.
Macro
All
V
right,
belts.
Tom. Calm down, Tom.
Oh, this is the first thing I ever bought.
Oh, wait,
Frankie.
Tom.
I bought these from you in like 2010.
He did buy those from me.
This
in
was
2010.
Frankie's first sale ever.
Yeah.
International. You guys got White Claws? Damn.
We're
I
doing
thought you
another
were straight
giveaway.
edge. What giveaway is it? Let's prepare for this. Are we live?
Yeah.
No, this is live.
This is one cut. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa, July Front Street gets free fenders.
That's not what it said, but yeah, you are.
I
but-
can't read.
All right, I'll read it then. July giveaway is Origin Labo front and rear fender set giveaway.
What kind of fenders though?
Anything
they
you want.
You want to see some Origin fenders? Let's go. Come on. Stop. Come on, Freddie. Go, Eddie. Go, keep going. You go in front of me. I don't want to be behind you. Where the my car go? Smells like race gas in here. You got fenders right here. Come on, keep going. Keep going this way. We got so many fenders! What the was that? You get a fender, and you get a fender, and he gets a fender. Here we go, I need these. And this is how we package faction. We're just fast with it. We're fast with it. These are going out to Johnny May.
I hope you know where they went.
Nope. Wait.
No.
Why'd you close this one?
Can't go in there.
Why?
Can't go in there.
Okay, let's keep going. What are we doing today? What's the hot lap?
Wait, put them back, Tom.
We need these two.
All right. As you can see, we got a lot of Origin
I'll see you
aero
later.
here.
Thanks, Chris.
No.
Thanks for everything.
Get back here. Get back here.
Go straight. Get me out of here. Open the door. Move.
You don't even know what those are. They don't even fit your car.
They're roof wings.
What fenders are those?
I don't know. I'm sweating. It's hot in here. You need air conditioning. Chris, why do they get air conditioning? You don't. It's f***ed up. It's f***ed up. It's like child labor laws in here.
Probably
or
because of
something.
you getting free alignments.
It's always my fault.
Make sure you put those back where you got
They
them.
go right here. Stop stressing.
All right, so
Hey, do you get the spreadsheet? I think these are for my car.
I think they are. All right, well, as you can see, Tom showed you we got a lot of Origin stuff here. We're going to be giving away fenders this month, so every $5
Don't listen
spent
to
on
a word Frankie has to say. Don't listen to him.
So every $5 spent on the website gets you one entry, right?
Yes,
And then-
$5.
And then Faction merch gets you double entries.
Front Street merch gets you triple.
We don't even have any Front Street merch.
It will be uploaded to the site. All proceeds go to us, none to Faction.
Okay.
But you still get tickets to the giveaway.
That's nuts.
You can claim that. It's part of the sponsorship now.
All right. No.
Frankie saw some sun this weekend, if you see.
I told him already.
Hurts really bad. Oh no, not the mic.
All
This
right.
hot lap sucks, dude.
You're not
Be
letting
more
me talk.
enthusiastic.
I'm not even
But you're
talking.
not even enthusiastic. You're just dull.
You're just screaming.
Yeah, but because you gotta have energy.
We need to get
You want to
some-
be YouTube? Be YouTube. Have energy. Have a personality. That's what people like watching.
How many
you have none
subscribers
of
you
it.
got?
Actually, we might have more than you.
You don't have any.
The Front Street page has a lot.
You don't have none.
Jimmy Oaks, that's my dad. He has a lot. F you. Why is my car coming back in this shop again?
Probably not done.
Imagine you drove right through. Look, it looks good. And with that Origin arrow, it looks pretty good.
It looks a little tall in the front, but
If you look at that big mark on my door, it's because Josh used me as his brakes. It happens a lot.
let's go check it out. Since I can't talk about anything else.
Why is it going back on the rack? They fell out of my car. You hear that? That's the sound of SR20. Turn it back on. But let's go back to you.
It ate it.
It fell on the floor, asshole.
Oh no.
Fell on the floor. All right, this guy. Let's leave him. Let's leave him in the dust.
So you don't
What else
actually
can
need
we
that
steal?
thing, do you?
What?
Tom, I can't talk if you keep talking.
Well, you got to get your thing back. You can't talk with no foam.
Yeah, you can.
Eddie, let's just leave him. Let's ditch him. Leave him in here. Let's go. Keep Eddie. Come on. Leave him. He's your boss. F him.
Leave him. He's your boss.
No, you stay. I'm telling you, you stay. No. You stay.
You're a bully. Tom's always been a bully.
You see this right here? Double entries. Go get it. You see this? I'm taking this. He likes this. Frankie's giggling, cackling. You see these? We don't have any of these, but if we did, double entry.
Wait, what?
The beanies?
We don't have beanies?
I don't know.
We got beanies?
I don't know your f***ing stock. That guy got one on. He looks just like
upset a little
Frankie. All right, well, that's all. Thanks for everything.
Did he just fall down?
It's my traumatic exit.
That was crazy. I thought you just collapsed.
Stop. I exited the video. Don't make me be in this video. I do not consent.
You know Frank Leo Grande?
I'm actually going to sue Faction Motorsports.
You know Frank Leo Grande, BMW guy? You do remember him.
Yeah.
He was on the podcast last week.
Oh, yeah.
Apparently the camera was out
Can
of
you
focus.
have some sort of enthusiasm, dude? You suck. This is more personality than you've ever had.
Here.
I can't read, dude. This is the far.
Oh, thanks.
Chris, why is my car back in the shop? That was up. All right, let's see what you got through this door. You got a lot of doors here.
Bro, we gotta accomplish something here.
Yeah, they'll watch it just for me. What are you doing?
There's no way. There's
is
no way to
fucking
turn his mic off. We're just
Let me
screwed.
see this thing. YouTube comments. Monday, we're running out of space. Hot Lap 65.
Yeah, that was.
I
the last-
can't read these people's comments. Their names make no sense. Shop update. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. Tell a friend. See, so you gotta have some enthusiasm.
I'm trying to read this.
I know, but you're so dull.
You just keep talking over me the whole time.
I won't talk over you unless I have to. Show me your enthusiasm.
Okay.
Show me your enthusiasm. You look like a 4-year-old that's gonna read in front of their class for the
I'm
first
still
time.
confused. I don't know. I can never do these. So how does Malcolm do this? He just
I got an
reads
idea.
these?
Give me the camera, Eddie. You're doing it. Oh, no. Give me the camera. You're doing it.
I've tried that too before.
Hey, Frankie, just talk about what you got.
Yeah, there's
Like
really
this.
nothing to talk about on here.
This hot lap sucks.
Oh wait, I got a good one.
Is it
Yeah.
about me?
That would be good.
Questions. Will Frankie Bovino ever drift again?
Question.
No. Anyways, will his car ever be done?
Yeah.
No. These are questions for hot laps. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck could if wood could? That's crazy. Frankie Beans versus 100 hot dogs. Frankie Beans wins. Why don't you buy an F? That's just stupid. Why would I even read that question? When's the Mitsuwa pasta? We could do that right now. You want to go to Mitsuwa?
Mitsudo?
Mitsuwa, the place, the market.
No, that's a person.
Oh,
Mitsudo.
not Mitsuwa.
I don't know
Whoops.
who that is, but
Sorry.
that's a person.
If Frankie died yesterday, who would he haunt?
You.
Me.
Yeah, 100%.
What-
Devil face. Don't know what that means. What do they mean when they refer to in the pocket in FD? Here, that's a question for you.
I don't know. I think you have to be front wheel behind front wheel. The nose of the car has to be behind the front wheel. If you pass the front wheel, you're out of the pocket.
Then I might actually
Something
not
like
know either. I thought it just meant like you were real close.
No, there was
like
a whole
on
big rule with someone beating somebody, and it was this whole big drastic thing, and it was because there was front wheel to front wheel contact, but I think the front wheel has to be behind the door handle of the car.
Makes
It's
me
weird.
hate FD even more.
Anyways, I don't know if that's true, but I think it was something I heard once. Gas station boner pills.
That says hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Frankie Beans would eat them all. What is that? Garage? Vary? Arrow and
Garage
stuff?
Vary
We just
Arrow.
did that.
I don't.
We're way ahead of you.
Oh, that's Wags. I don't know what Garage Vary Arrow is.
They want to know if we have Arrow in stock, and we have a lot.
They want to know if Garage Vary Arrow is in stock.
And Taylor's preschool's calling me.
Are you for real?
No, I'm kidding.
It's 4 o'clock.
Hello?
Put the mic down. Who won the giveaway? We already know that. We're trying to call them in a bit. Has someone ever gone through the Faction Fab diff cover for the 86?
And we're back. What were we answering?
Has someone ever gone through the Faction Fab diff cover for the 86? I don't even know what that is.
Are you stupid? The cover, the protector of the diff cover for the GT.
Faction Fab is a company. I don't know what they make.
No, I think they're talking about your diff cover.
Well, they got the name wrong then.
Well, they're talking about that.
And that's not my diff cover. That's Dave Bob's.
Yeah, it's David Bob's because he's way cooler.
See, I need someone to read these that understands.
Who won the giveaway? Well, we tried to call him and he lost because he didn't answer. Anyways.
No one's gone through the diff cover that I know of.
Did you forget about Hot Lap yesterday? Did you forget about it, Frankie?
No, we didn't forget about it. We
he was
purposely
sitting there
didn't do it.
sulking in his chair because he has no enthusiasm.
Okay. Well, that's all the questions for today.
They're gonna hit me. He beats me on the regular.
I don't know what else to talk about. I mean, you want me to read a lot of these, but they're just comments on YouTube.
Frankie's
so
coming to Canada with us.
I'm not
so you
going
can
to
see
Canada.
Faction Motorsports in Canada at JDM Fest next week.
Not going to Canada, but you are.
I am.
Who else is going?
Me, Josh, Jimmy, all of Oaks Garage, all of Car Shop Kuroshi. There's a lot of people
Oh,
going.
Car Shop Kuroshi's going.
A lot of people are going.
Okay, that's cool.
Seventh day happened on 6th day.
Yeah, 7th
That
day
was
happened
crazy.
on 6th day. No one went.
Everyone forgot.
I think they did that on purpose, though.
Well, yeah, the
right?
weather, and also it was a Sunday. Last year was real good. So they're probably trying to mimic last year.
No, I'm pretty sure they literally don't want people to come. That's why they did that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
Because people show up with like.
I got it sent to me. People got to show up with 240s and ruin everything.
Not even that.
How long does the hot lap got to be?
We could have ended a while ago if we finished everything, but you just kept talking.
Do you guys want to see more in stock Arrow? Let's go. Just kidding. We're not doing that. I'm just kidding. Yes, we go. Let's go.
We might as well at least show them the fenders that we got back there.
Let's go see what's in this room. This is a cool room. I like this one.
Tom,
Let's
you can't go in there.
Yes, I could.
Tom,
Yes.
can't go in there, Tom.
Yes, I could. Oh, no.
All right, he didn't answer yesterday, so I'm gonna call him again today. Hey, this is Malcolm, Faction Motorsports.
Yes.
Hey, just want to let you know that we're just making a little video. This phone call is being recorded, if you don't mind. Last month we were doing a giveaway for stage wheels. Every order was eligible. Every $5 was one entry, and we just want to let you know that you won the stage wheels.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. Any
Okay.
stage wheels of your liking, you could go browse their catalog, and we'll be sending you an email just so we could get all your info and find out which ones you want, and then we could go from there. All right?
How much, depending on which wheel I go with, is there like a discount, or how does that work?
No, they're totally free for you. You don't got to pay for nothing.
Oh. Oh, okay, sweet. Oh, nice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
All right,
Okay.
I'll be sending you an email really soon. So just look out for that, and then go browse their selection. Just let us know which ones you want, and then we'll contact them.
Yeah.
Then we'll have them sent out to you.
Thanks for ordering with us.
All right, sweet. I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
No problem, man. Thank you for ordering that body kit with us.
No problem. I also got it today. I'm
Oh,
looking
awesome.
forward to looking at it when I get home. Yeah.
Awesome, man. All right, I'll talk to you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Another happy winner. Another happy winner.
He was a little. He's like, how much do I gotta pay? It's free.
It's free. Everything's free. We're giving away for free. You buy something on our website, you get it for free, man. Stop going to other websites. Stop going to.
Let them know what's free this month. Look outside.
Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Tom wanted more enthusiasm, right? I'll give you enthusiasm, head. All right. We got body kits out the ass. And back here we got fenders. I think we got like 200 pairs of fenders in this room. So this is what we're talking about for the next giveaway. So for the month of July, every $5 spent on the website gets you a chance to win front and rear over fender set from Origin Labo. This is our current inventory. So that means you get to choose from, well, you get to choose from anything Origin Labo has, but you might have to wait if we don't have it in stock. We probably have it in stock. So you guys are going to get all hooked up August 1st. August 1st to 5th, we'll pick the winner, and then we'll figure out how we're going to get the stuff to you. If you're local to us, which I hope you end up being, we'll deliver it to you. And if we got to ship it, we'll ship it. Totally free. We're just giving away for free every month. You buy something, you get a chance to win free. Okay? Look at all the body kits. We got body kits everywhere. We can't even work in here anymore. Please, if you need a body kit, hit us up. Pretty much for every single car, too. BRZ, S13 Sylvia, 180SX, Chaser. We got a lot of Chaser stuff. Mark II. A lot of that stuff here. Like we got bumpers inside the showroom. We can't even get away from them. So yeah, giving shit away. Front and rear fender set, Origin Labo. That's for the month of July. Every $5 spent is a chance to win. If you buy Faction merch or you buy like shirts like that he's got on right there. Turn around, please. God damn! Look at that! Look at that shirt! Look at that shirt! Yeah, you get double entries if you buy any of that.
Hey, we got a whole bunch in stock. Just hit us up through the email. Call us. We'll let you know if we got it.
So what I'm saying is, you got to be ordering with us. Those other websites. Order with us. We give free away. Mic drop.